Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Dear students, this video is for the students who are studying in 6th standard, History and Civics subject. Lesson number 1, Indian subcontinent and history. Today we shall have question and answers given on page number 5. Without wasting time, let's get started with questions and answers. Question number 1. Answer the following in one sentence. 1. What is history? The answer is, history is a coherent account of the significant past events in the progress of human culture. 2. Where do human settlements flourish? The human settlements flourish wherever the means of livelihood are plentiful. What do people in the hilly region depend on for their food? The people in the hilly region depend on hunting and gathering food for their food. 4. Which is the earliest civilization in India? The Harappan civilization is the earliest civilization in India. Question number 2. Answer the following questions in short. 1. What does human life depend on? The human life is depend on the following things. Human life, to a large extent, depend on the geographical characteristics of the region in which they live. The climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, flora and fauna of the region where we have the sources of livelihood. 2. What features of our surroundings form the means of our livelihood? The climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, flora and fauna of the region for the means of our livelihood. 3. Which region is known as the Indian subcontinent? Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal. Considering the expanse and significance of India in this region, it is also known as Indian subcontinent. Question 3. Give reasons. There is a close relation between history and geography. The answer is, time, place, society and individuals are the 4 pillars of history. We can't write history without them. Of these 4 components, place is related to geography or geographical conditions. In this sense, history and geography are inseparable. History is influenced by geographical conditions in many ways. Our diet, clothing, housing, occupation, in fact, all human life in any region depends to a large extent on its geographical characteristics. 2. People are forced to leave their settlements. The answer is, people are forced to leave their settlements because of the following reasons. Sometimes reasons like the degradation of environment, drought, invasions lead to the scarcity of those means. People are forced to leave their settlements and villages and towns become deserted. Question number 4. Explain the difference in the human life in the hilly regions and that on the plains. The answer is, the life of people in hilly regions is more strenuous, hard than the people on the plains. Plain means a large area of flat land with few trees. It is available on a large scale. There is a scarce of grains and vegetables in the hilly region. People on the plains get them in a sufficient measure. Naturally, this has impact on the diet of the people. People on the hilly region depend on more hunting and gathering for their food. Other such differences can be seen. Question number 5. Observe the physical map of India and answer the questions based on it. Students, watch the physical map of India and you need to answer depend on it. Question number 1. Which mountain range lie in the north of India? The Himalayas and Hindu Kush mountain ranges lie in the north of India. Which are the routes to India from northwest? Khyber Pass and Bolan Pass are the routes to India from the northwest. Question number 3. Where do Ganga and Brahmaputra meet? The Ganga and Brahmaputra meet in Bangladesh. 4. Name the islands to the east of the Indian peninsula. Andaman Nicobar Islands are to east of the Indian peninsula. 5. In which part of India do we see the Thar Desert? We see the Thar Desert in Rajasthan, Gujarat and Haryana. Okay students, have understood? Very good. So today we have learned the exercise given on the page number 5 of the lesson number 1, that is Indian subcontinent and history of the history and civics subject. Okay students, if you have found this useful to you and liked it, then like it, share it, comment below the video and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you will get current notification of new videos. Thank you. Be connected.